When them a chop road farmer, man a chop green grass. When them a chop road farmer, man a chop green grass. When me say we do, talk about scam. I farm me money they back.
Good day guys, you know it's a boy Michael the farmer, and in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to clean out the adult section of the chicken coop. Yeah, so I'm here just on my way to farm right now. I'm currently riding to farm. This is one of my 3 exercise days. This is one of my 3 exercise days of the week where I should ride to farm from Portmore. Why do you have to stay good, you know? You see me? You have to know if you do the badness, but yeah, so I'm gonna show you step by step how to clean out the sawdust and the wood shaving, which chemical to use, etc. So it's gonna be a fun day. It's gonna be a tiring fun day.
She asked me what's my name, I tell her I am Chronixx. And I said, girl, tell me what's your name. And she tell me that her name is Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Ooh, Lord, smile for me, Jamaica. And never you cry, here am I. Yeah, I'm here for you, Jamaica. Dry your eyes, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. Lord, hey, she have a rich history. A beautiful woman with the sweetest gifts. Beautiful sunrise and an evening kiss. Of a nice sunset on the evening season. But she tell me that she tired. Tired of the exploits and the liars. She give them reggae, give them beaches, give them...
It is ideal to practice an in or out placement cycle, which will minimize disease transmission from older flocks to the younger ones. Leaving equipment, litter, and building material lying around is a perfect cover for rodents and other animals. Minimize this and secure the facility to be as animal proof as possible without compromising ventilation to the flock. Keep wild birds out of the building, as those can carry diseases that can cause serious infections to the broiler flock. Wire mesh siding is suggested at all openings into the poultry house to prevent entry of even smaller birds. Rodents affect us in the following manner: by contamination of feed, by feces, urine, and hair. Consumption and contamination of feed, and attacking and killing younger birds.
Limit the number of visitors to the farm and prevent all unauthorized access. Everyone entering your facility should follow strict biosecurity procedures developed for your farm. Applying disinfectant liquids for shoes and vehicles entering the farm will help minimize transmission of disease pathogens. Do not allow anyone to walk between and into chicken houses without your approved biosecurity measures.
So guys, as you can see, For my chemical mixture, it's just soap and water. Well, I use that first to scrub the ground. Yeah, so it's just our typical fab soap and just water. And you have to really make it solid. And germs usually build up in creases or in the corners of a chicken coop. So you try to get more in the corner than the regular open area. As you can see in the video, I'm trying to get over where the mesh wire is and the zinc, but there's dirt over there, block up over there same way, the dirt and the sawdust mix. And look in the corner, you can see some of the wood shaving still blocked up because it is stuck in the mesh wire, and the broom nor the shovel could take it out except the water. Yeah, so you can use liquid soap, powdered soap, and a push broom. You really need to get the ground scrubbing. Have to scrub the ground, you see me? You know, scrub the ground good, the germs them. If you're looking at your chicken coop, if you have a chicken coop, after cleaning it out, you will see like a little block up area. Yes, that's the germs still on the ground. The chicken coop with the soap water, like two different scrub, a light scrub at first and then a deep scrub after. You need to wash out that soap water with that litter or remaining litter, like this, the dust type of litter, the eggs that are still on the ground, which our naked eye cannot see. You just need to rinse out the place with like 2 to 3 buckets of water, so you can get sanitizing after. As you can see, I'm trying to catch the creases, the corners, because corners are where the water will settle. And if you look good, this chicken coop is kind of slant. But when it is clean up, when you are cleaned out, the water will run down like that. So after rinsing out the chicken coop with just water, you will need to get your bleach chemical. So I use 2 buckets full of water, and any amount of bleach. Can't make the bleach water too strong and you can't make it too weak. But you see, I just throw some bleach. Yeah, so the bleach is what's really going to kill the bacteria. So I just sanitize down the place, sprinkle the bleach water all over the chicken coop in the corner. You catch the corners first, the posts. Most of the corners where the post is at. If you can look up the top, you see the nursery is still there. The chicks are growing. By next week, 1 week time, 7 to 10 days, I'll move them down to the bottom. Because this year, after you clean your chicken coop or the adult section, for it will take 7 to 10 days for it's acceptable to give it 7 to 10 days to dry before you bring them down. Yeah, so that's best, 7 to 10 days.
After dry cleaning, all surfaces should be cleaned with soap and water, followed by a disinfectant agent approved for use in poultry houses. Chloride compounds such as bleach are very good at killing bacteria, viruses, mold, fungal spores, and coccidia. A mixture of 1 teaspoon of 6% bleach can be used in 1 gallon of water to clean surfaces and left to dry. Clean curtains or tarpaulins used on the house should be properly disinfected. Foot baths should be cleaned and replenished with fresh disinfectants daily. We recommend a downtime of at least 2 weeks between flocks. This allows for pathogens to die off naturally. Don't forget to clean the environment around the house and remove any garbage or waste manure. Cut down plants and grass. Dangerous pathogens can often be found in manure and dust in these areas.